Welcome back. If you're hunting for the best gaming laptop in 2026, something that can crush AAA titles, run silky smooth esports, and still look clean on your desk, you're in the right place. Today I'm counting down the top 5 best gaming laptops in 2026, from a budget-friendly beast to an absolute no-compromises monster. And yes, all links are in the description under links, so you can check today's price and deals. Also, quick note, prices change fast, and the best laptop depends on your style. Competitive FPS, creative work, or max settings everything. I'll help you pick the right one. Let's jump in. Kicking off at number 5, meet the MSI Titan 18HX AI 18-inch, a gaming laptop built for people who don't turn settings down. This is the kind of machine you open once, and everything about it says one thing. Maximum power, maximum control, zero excuses. Front and center is a stunning 18-inch mini LED UHD plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate designed to make fast motion look crisp and cinematic. Whether you're tracking targets in a competitive shooter or soaking in open-world detail, the screen delivers deep contrast, bright highlights, and razor-sharp clarity that feels closer to a high-end desktop setup than something you can carry. Under the hood, MSI pairs an Intel Ultra 9-285HX processor with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090, creating a powerhouse combo for high FPS gaming, streaming, and creator workloads like 4K editing and 3D rendering. Add 64 GB of DDR5 memory, and this Titan stays smooth even when you're multitasking hard. Game running, Discord open, browser tabs everywhere, and a recording session in the background. Storage anxiety? Gone. With a massive 6 TB NVMe SSD, you can keep your favorite AAA games installed, store large project files, and still have room left for captures, mods, and media libraries. It's the kind of capacity that changes how you use a laptop. No constant deleting, no juggling drives, just instant access. Connectivity is equally future-ready. You get Thunderbolt 5 for blazing fast data and high-end accessories, plus Wi-Fi 7 for faster, more stable wireless performance where supported. And with Windows 11 Pro, you're equipped for gaming, productivity, and secure work setups right out of the box. Finished in a bold black chassis, the MSI Titan 18HX AI isn't just a laptop. It's a portable flagship built for elite performance, now and for years ahead. Number 4, meet the Acer Predator Helios Neo 16, a gaming laptop made for players who want serious performance without paying flagship prices. It's bold, fast, and built to keep up when your matches get intense and your to-do list gets bigger than just play one more game. At the core is the Intel Core i7-13650HX, a high-performance processor that brings strong speed for gaming plus the extra muscle you feel when multitasking. Launch a game, keep Discord open, run your browser tabs, maybe even stream or record. This laptop is designed to stay responsive when life gets busy. Graphics are handled by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060, a sweet spot GPU for modern gaming. It's a great pick for smooth 1080p gameplay at high settings in many popular titles, and it also supports the features gamers actually care about, like sharp visuals, stable frame rates, and the ability to push competitive settings for faster reaction time. The real star of the experience is the display. A 16-inch Wuxka 1920 by 1200 165Hz screen with GSYNC. That means fluid motion, reduced screen tearing, and a more locked-in feel when you're tracking targets or flicking through fast scenes. The taller 16:10 aspect ratio also gives you a little more vertical space, which is surprisingly nice for browsing, editing, and everyday work. With 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, you're set for smooth performance in games and day-to-day tasks. And the 512 GB Gen 4 SSD keeps load times quick, so you spend less time waiting and more time playing. Need more space later? This model is a practical platform for upgrades. To keep you connected, it includes killer Wi-Fi 6E, which can help deliver more stable wireless performance on compatible networks, especially useful for competitive gaming and downloading big updates. Overall, The Predator Helios Neo 16, PHN 16-71-76H5, is the kind of laptop that feels ready for anything. Fast esports sessions, immersive story games, school or work, and late-night grind, without breaking the bank. At number 3, we've got the Razer Blade 16 is what happens when a premium laptop design meets full-throttle gaming power. It's sleek, sharp, and unapologetically performance-driven. Built for players and creators who want a machine that looks refined on a desk, but turns into a monster the second you launch a game. At the heart of it is a powerhouse combination. An NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 paired with a 13th Gen Intel 24-core i9-HX processor. That means you're not just getting high frame rates. You're getting the kind of headroom that keeps everything smooth even when you're doing a lot at once. Think gaming at high settings, streaming, recording, editing, and heavy multitasking without that "my laptop is struggling" feeling. Then there's the feature that makes this model truly special. The 16-inch dual-mode mini LED display. You can switch between 4K UHD Plus at 120Hz for stunning detail and cinematic single-player visuals, or jump into FHD Plus at 240Hz for ultra-fast competitive gameplay, where every millisecond matters. It's basically two elite screens in one. Perfect for someone who plays a mix of esports and story-driven titles. With 32 gigabytes of RAM, the Blade 16 stays quick and responsive even with big creative projects or multiple apps running. The 2 terabytes SSD gives you room for large game libraries, video files, and work projects, plus fast load times that keep your sessions flowing. Razer also includes a compact GAN charger, which is a big deal if you travel or game on the go. It's smaller and more portable than traditional bulky power bricks, so your setup stays clean and bag-friendly. Wrapped in that signature Razer minimalist design and running Windows 11, the Razer Blade 16 feels like a luxury laptop that just happens to be one of the most capable gaming machines you can buy. If you want top-tier performance, a premium build, and a display that adapts to how you play, this is the one that delivers. Coming in at number 2 is the HP Victus 15, is the kind of gaming laptop that makes sense the moment you start using it. It's built for everyday life, school, work, streaming, and late-night gaming, without the heavy price tag or the over-the-top gamer spaceship look. Clean and silver, easy to carry, and ready to play. The experience starts with a 15.6-inch full HD display running at a 144Hz refresh rate, which is a big upgrade over standard screens. Everything feels smoother, scrolling, aiming, and fast movement in shooters or sports games. It's the kind of detail you notice instantly once you've played on it, especially in competitive titles where motion clarity really matters. Inside, the AMD Ryzen 5 7535HS delivers strong everyday speed and reliable gaming performance. It handles multitasking well, so you can keep your browser open, run Discord, stream music, and still jump into your favorite games without things feeling sluggish. Backing it up is 16 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, which is a solid amount for modern gaming and keeps the system responsive when you're juggling multiple apps. For graphics, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2050 brings dedicated GPU power that's perfect for popular esports titles and many modern games at the right settings. If you're upgrading from integrated graphics, the difference is night and day. Better frame rates, smoother gameplay, and more consistent performance. Storage is fast and practical with a 512 gigabytes PCIe M.2 SSD, so Windows boots quickly, games load faster, and daily tasks feel snappy. You also get useful features that make it great for daily use. Wi-Fi 6 for stable wireless, HDMI for plugging into a bigger screen, a webcam for classes or calls, and a backlit keyboard for gaming when the lights are low. Running Windows 11 Home, the HP Victus 15 is a smart pick for anyone who wants a capable, smooth, budget-friendly gaming laptop that fits real life as well as it fits your game library. And the number 1 gaming laptop in 2026, based on balance, value, performance, and overall no regrets energy, is the Lenovo Legion 5. Phantom Blue is one of those gaming laptops that earns its reputation the honest way, by delivering a smooth, dependable gaming experience without drama. It's built for players who want real performance, a clean design, and a machine that feels confident whether you're grinding ranked matches or diving into story-heavy games after work. At the core is the AMD Ryzen 7 5800H, a strong 8-core processor known for handling gaming and multitasking with ease. That means your laptop stays responsive even when you're doing more than one thing. Game running, Discord open, a browser full of tabs, and maybe music or a stream in the background. It's the kind of CPU that makes the whole system feel fast and steady. For graphics, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 Ti gives you dedicated gaming power that's a noticeable step up from entry-level options. It's a great match for 1080p gaming, especially in popular competitive titles, and it handles many modern games well when you tune settings for the best balance of visuals and frame rate. If you like smooth gameplay more than Ultramax settings, this setup hits a satisfying sweet spot. The 15.6-inch Full HD display keeps everything sharp and clear, making it easy to track movement in fast games and enjoy clean detail in open-world titles. And with 16 gigabytes of RAM, you've got the breathing room needed for modern gaming, plus everyday tasks without constant slowdowns. Storage is practical and quick with 512 gigabytes, giving you space for your main game rotation and apps, with fast load times that keep your sessions flowing. And because it's a Legion, you're also getting that gaming-first mindset built to stay stable, comfortable to use, and ready for long sessions. Running Windows 10 Home, the Lenovo Legion 5 is a smart pick for gamers who want an all-around performer. Strong CPU power, capable graphics, and a reliable, no-nonsense experience in a laptop that feels built to last. All right, gamers, those were the top 5 best gaming laptops in 2026. What game are you playing first on your new laptop? GTA, Warzone, Fortnite, Valorant, Cyberpunk, or something else? If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because I'm dropping more 2026 gear rankings very soon. And don't forget, links are in the description so you can grab the best deal today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.